Yes, okay, best. Thank you. This ashoke is a gift from one of my Facebook follower. So she said she don't know how to appreciate me because last year I encouraged a lot of people to start doing content, and she watched those my videos and she start making content. This is her name there. Please go and follow her. She is the latest Gele woman. In case you want to learn simple head wrap, you are going to church, you are going to events. Okay, best. Thank you. This woman post all these ashoke pins. They are there from all the way from Niger to United Kingdom for me. He said, "Their beauty, you really encourage me. I watch of your video. I start doing content. As we speak now, she is earning money from Facebook. She don't know how to appreciate me. She know already I have a lot of ashoke." She said, but she will still bring. I said, okay, just bring anyone you know. So there are I just said, let me show you these three and some pins. I'm going to start with this green. Let's start with the green. So this is my pin. We are in the field of Operation Do It Yourself. Follow Okay Best. Okay Best. In fact, even me, she said last year she washed me and she starts. Now me, I wash her. Life is like that. We are learning every day. Don't think you already know it all. Most time I go to her page to go and learn as well. Everybody, you must do something. I'm very happy that she said she earn money now. She said she earn money from Facebook. If you are there, you are a wife, you can start up doing your content. Don't worry. Go and watch Okay Best Facebook. See the way she's so consistent, uploading every day. That is the secret. Don't worry, you will get there. You are the next to monetize. You must carry this money for Facebook. Let's get started. Okay, just a quick one. This video, I watched this video from her page. So I'm going to tie this particular style. So we are going to divide it 40, 50. First we fold. First you fold into two like this. You fold into two like this. I watched this video from her page. Yes, before even, yes, this is 50. If you want to know how to measure it, then you raise one up. You can learn and start creating your own videos, gather your own audience. Yes, now she's earning money. Anything content creator is, the secret is you be consistent. Don't be distracted. Even though I'm not getting a lot of view, just continue what you are doing. Yes, continue what you are doing. That is the secret. I like this woman, not just her. I have plenty, like more than 10 people contact me December last year 2023. They tell me the same thing, that their beauty, thank you for your encourage. Most of them, they are boys, but I have few women. That is the reason I always say my women were my women. Where are that? Make una come, they make money. Make una come, they make money. Because many of you women, you go to my page. You know, I have 3 pages. You go to my page, you go to the wrong side where you know you cannot learn. You go and be talking to me like their beauty, don't be doing this content, their beauty. So the women that know their left and right, they will just go to my dead beauty where they know they can learn. Because I have 3 pages. I cannot be doing Gele in the 3 platform. So I do blog in the other of my platform. So most of you now that are not serious in making money, nobody even invites you there to go and watch those videos of Aproko. So you are the one that decide to go and watch Aproko. Then you will go to my comment section. You will be telling me, don't do this, don't be doing blog. Who invites you? See, like somebody like this Okay Best now. She's practicing Gele from my platform and she's making money on it now. You that is just there complaining about my content, you cannot see the area where I am good. You cannot see the video from my platform that help you. It's only the one that you feel maybe I am blogging. You don't know that anything blogging is hustling. It's part of our hustle. We need to hustle and support our husbands. You understand? In case you don't have what is giving you income, social media is there. Social media is there. Be creative. Look at this woman now. She said she's earning money. That she said she will appreciate me. When she called me, I did not pick. I don't even know that she is okay best. I tell her drop voice message for me. She write it on my comment section. Ma, I message you on WhatsApp. You didn't reply. I said okay. Message me again. Do drop voice message. So she dropped voice message. She said she's just here to appreciate me for all that I have done. Not just her, many of them like that. You can make money as well. You can make money and stop complaining of the order of my content. Somebody like you now watch my video and start and she's testifying. You are there checking all the error. Tech Beauty, look at what she posts. You go and watch the one that you will like. I have 3 pages. The other one, we do skits, family skits. You understand? So you go and watch the one you like. Life is like that. Okay, this is the final. As you can see, okay, best have a lot of simple head wrap that will help you to go when you are going to church. Yes, this is one of them. If you want to learn, you see her name there, follow her. Follow with it good. Encourage her. Drop your comments. Tell them from Tech Beauty. Tell her from Tech Beauty. Yes, this is the only way. I don't even know how to appreciate her. Okay, best. Your pocket will never run dry. This money will you bring come out from your pocket. In fact, forward ever in your page, backward never. By this time next year, all of us will celebrate 1 million followers. Ahead. Don't be distracted of little view, big view. Sometimes it's like rainy. It's like season, rainy season, dry season, winter season, summer season. Facebook is like that, but you don't give up. Don't give up. Thank you. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to follow her on her page. She didn't request for this. I'm just doing it for you to know that people are there that appreciate my content on Facebook. Where some other people are still there, they condemn what I do on Facebook. So I just want to use this video to tell her thank you. She didn't request for it, but I love her spirit because she did not give up. She made sure a word that ma, I'm not earning money. I didn't even expect the type of money I'm earning on Facebook. Most of you are still there. You are doubting that there's no money on Facebook. Now you know. So this is the final. Follow her on her page. Thank you. Tech Beauty. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. Tech Beauty house. Bye. Let's create our thumbnail. Thumbnail is the picture that will stay in the front. Thumbnail. You can do your mouth like this.
Dead baby. What's up?
W, the crafty producer.
Woo, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we've got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we